In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this OPPO. First of all, you need to find Files app. It should be in Google folder. When you find it, click on it. Now select Continue. Click on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on, and tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!